Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how to create a application or website. Even if you have no prior knowledge of coding, you can do this. So first of all you have to visit this website aistudio.google.com. Now after coming to this website, in the left side you can see a build option. Click on build option. After selecting build, I have already selected build, and then you have to click on start from a template. By the way, there are already pre-built application given here. You can modify this application also, but I am going to show you from scratch. So click on start from a template, and then I will select React, as I am going to use React for this website. And here I will give command to Gemini. Suppose I want to create a website, so I will write create a dental hospital website. And now I will send prompt, and as you can see, Gemini 2.5 Pro is processing our request. We will have to wait until the process completed. For deployment, we will click here deploy app. As you can see, rocket symbol, and there is another option, GitHub repository. So almost it is completed. Just wait. There come a error, and it is fixing. I am waiting until the process completed. Process has been completed. It is loading the website. Here you can see the website has been created, a very beautiful website. Now I will show you how to deploy this application, this website. So click here on rocket symbol, and it will ask you to select a cloud project. Here I already have a folder you can create by clicking here. By the way, I already have a folder. I will select this. Right. Okay, I will show you how to create a new project folder. So let's see. Deploy example, and I will create folder deploy example. Here you can see deploy example selected, and now it is asking for setup billing. So I will click here. It is not going to deduct any money from your account, so you can select this. And it is asking to link a billing account. So I will link a billing account here. I already have a billing account. Set account, and here it is asking to verify. I will set it to remind me later. Now I will see where it has been deployed. To see the project, I will click here, Google Cloud. Here you can see deploy example folder. Click here, your application has been deployed. If you want to see the location of the project, you can see here project name. It is asking to migrate. Project has been deployed. You can share this application. You have unsaved changes. Do you want to save? It is asking to save. I have saved. This project has been deployed successfully, and now you can share this project in anyone. And suppose I will open a new incognito window and open this link. It is asking to sign in to see the project. You can save this project to GitHub, and from GitHub you can deploy it to Netlify, and you can use this project as a professional project. Thank you for watching this video.